In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unlock all enemies in Anime Vanguards. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the enemy index and how you can unlock all of them. So, in order to find the enemy index, you will need to talk to an NPC. He is based off Okabe Rintaro from Steins Gate, and he is going to provide you with information on different types of enemies within game modes and access to bounties. The first time that you open the index, you will see this. The enemy index is where you can view the enemies you defeated and information about them. Each time you defeat an enemy, there is a chance you will unlock their enemy log. So if you need to locate him, all that you have to do is walk over here. So from the spawn point over there, you will go forward and then turn to the left over here. Now, you should come across the NPC, Okabu Enemy Index. When you talk to him, you will be able to choose between bounties and enemy index, so make sure that you choose it here. Then you can click on specific enemies to see details about them. Now, in my character, I have no enemies unlocked. Every time that you defeat an enemy, there is a 1% chance of acquiring them if they are a normal enemy, and if they are a boss enemy, there is a 3% chance. So sadly, there isn't much that you can do to influence this. It is going to be a matter of farming these enemies over and over, and eventually you will drop the respective index. After it is done, you can see an overview, stats, mechanics, metrics, and you will be able to claim rewards for acquiring them. You will have milestones for unlocking all of the enemies in specific areas, so Planet Namak, Sand Village, Tracks at the Edge, Spider Forest, and so on. You can also talk to this NPC to see the bounties like I've mentioned, so in this example here, Gilgamesh. So all that you have to do is choose the enemy index to see which ones you have unlocked, and then it's a matter of killing them over and over. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.